Okay, I'm John Capdevila, and I'll be just introducing this meetup. This is our first meetup this 2016. Okay, so happy New Year to everyone, and welcome to the meetup. We would like to start saying thanks to Drovit. Drovit is sponsoring this event, sponsoring the venue, sponsoring other things that we will see afterwards, and also to Universitat Politècnica of Catalunya and Barcelona Supercomputing Center. We said that Happy New Year, because now gonna review a little bit. The 2015 year has been a really fast-changing year for Spark. We have seen 4 major releases of Spark, and with the release of many components, from new data structures such as data frames, or new algorithms such topic modeling in the MLib library. Also integration with other technologies as Spark R that we talked in a previous meetup. And not only that, we have also seen a quick adoption by the market of this technology. In each release, we have seen that the number of clusters that were adopting the new release grows very fast, and this is what is shown in this graph. Also, we realized that Spark is growing beyond its limits. It's been integrated with other open source systems. It's not just Spark standalone, but the integration with other environments, other data sources and applications is what is making Spark an interesting platform for big data processing. So this is something that we realize, and we have already presented in previous meetups talks about Cassandra and Spark, or Act 2.0 in the last meetup with Spark, and we expect to do this in the future as well. So what about our meetup? Our meetup has grown a lot. We are now 1,200 members. It has increased at 230% in the last year, and we are the second European meetup about Spark right after London. And we're in the top 10 worldwide. I'm saying that in quotes because it's not clear in the ranking list of Spark if it's the top 10, the top 15, but what is clear is that there are other meetups with big data hype, so not sure about that, but we're more or less there. So we want also to give a big thanks to the previous organizer committees of this meetup, to the 3 Jordis, Jordi Nins, Jordi Aranda, and Jordi Torres, who started this initiative in the early 2014. Then Ruben Torres, Mario, and Mauro continued this project. They published the first Spark book in Spanish, and now in this year we have Ferran and me, and also Jordi Torres take the lead to organize this new season of meetups. As you can see here, we are a very diversified team. We expect to not be diverse, to be focused, but we are very diversified. Ferran is more into the infrastructure, and more into the industry. I am more into academics and into machine learning, and we have Jordi Torres in between. So we expect to give you both things: the good things of academia, the good things of the industry, the good things of industry, and the good things of applications in the sense in terms of analytics, basically. So we have specified 3 main goals for this new season. That this is to get to know more about you. That's why we will try our best to have beers and networking in all of our events. And today, thanks to Drovit, we will have beers, networking, and also sandwiches. So that's good. And we also expect to perform service analytics on the data that we gather from you, to know more about you. And in order to fulfill your requests and find those expert speakers, local speakers like Ferran, that they are currently working in Spark, and also international gurus who comes to Barcelona to visit Barcelona, or they are just hoping by Barcelona to try to get them here. And finally, we also want to make the talks more accessible, try to reach more people through video recording. And that's thanks today to UPC, who borrowed us the recording camera. and provide introductory content for those technical talks that usually need some introduction to the talk. So today's talk is Ferran. Ferran Gali is a software engineer here at Drovit. He tweets under Ferran Gali @, and he will be talking about Yarn by default, which is currently working here in Drovit. But first, Jacobo will say some words about Drovit